The ZONESUN ZS-CPL2 is a fully automatic cartoning machine designed for efficient case packing of bottles, jars, and tins. Operating at 10 to 15 cases per minute, it uses a grab-type packing method with a mechanical suction gripper capable of handling 3 cases per grab. The system integrates carton expanding, bottle sorting, precise conveying, and automated loading to streamline end-of-line packaging. With stable performance, reduced labor demand, and compatibility with various container types, it is ideal for medium to large-scale production lines.